In a bold move toward redefining personal mobility, Terraglide has introduced an innovative electric vehicle that resembles a luxurious chair on wheels. Dubbed the presidential chair, this futuristic mobility solution combines comfort, style, and advanced technology, positioning itself as a potential alternative to traditional cars. The Terraglide stands out with its unique design, which prioritizes user comfort and accessibility. The chair is equipped with a powerful electric motor that ensures smooth and efficient movement across various terrains. This design not only makes it ideal for urban commuting but also caters to individuals with mobility issues, offering them a new level of independence and ease of movement. One of the most striking features of the Terraglide is its compact size and maneuverability. Unlike conventional cars, the Terraglide can navigate through narrow spaces and crowded environments with ease. This makes it an attractive option for city dwellers who often face challenges with parking and traffic congestion. The compact design also means it requires less storage space, which is a significant advantage in urban settings. The vehicle is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to enhance the user experience. It features a touchscreen control panel that allows users to adjust settings, monitor battery levels, and access navigation tools. The Terraglide also includes built-in connectivity features, enabling users to stay connected on the go. Safety is another key aspect, with the chair incorporating advanced sensors and automatic braking systems to prevent accidents and ensure a secure ride. Terraglide's electric powertrain is both eco-friendly and efficient. The battery offers a substantial range on a single charge, making it practical for daily use. Charging the Terraglide is also straightforward, with options for home charging stations or public charging points. This focus on sustainability aligns with the growing demand for green transportation solutions and contributes to reducing the overall carbon footprint. The luxurious design of the Terraglide is another selling point. The chair is crafted with high-quality materials, offering a premium feel and maximum comfort. Adjustable seating positions, ergonomic support, and a range of customization options allow users to personalize their Terraglide to suit their preferences. This attention to detail ensures that the vehicle not only functions well but also provides an enjoyable and relaxing ride. The introduction of the Terraglide raises interesting questions about the future of personal transportation. While it may not completely replace cars, especially for long-distance travel, it presents a viable alternative for short commutes and urban mobility. The convenience, efficiency, and innovative design of the Terraglide make it a compelling option for those seeking a modern and sustainable way to navigate their daily lives. As Terraglide continues to develop and refine its product, the company envisions a future where such personal mobility solutions become commonplace. This shift could lead to significant changes in urban planning, reducing the need for large parking structures and decreasing traffic congestion. The success of the Terraglide could also inspire other companies to explore similar innovations, driving further advancements in the field of personal transportation. In summary, the Terraglide represents a significant leap forward in the realm of electric personal mobility. With its blend of comfort, technology, and sustainability, it offers a glimpse into a future where traditional cars might not be the only option for getting around. Whether it will replace cars entirely remains to be seen, but it certainly sets a new standard for what personal transportation can be.